I've had times in my life where I was fully insured and times where I went completely without it. And you know what I noticed? I used it about the same amount either way, which is to say, almost never. And yet the premiums just keep rising, and no matter how much you pay every month, you still somehow end up with these huge hospital bills anyway. It never made any sense to me. It always felt like a scam. But honestly, maybe the real scam is working your entire life just so you can have your last 5 or 10 years to finally enjoy yourself. Except by then, you've got very little health left to actually enjoy any of it. Because think about it, you give all your best years to some company to make them rich, and they never even knew your name or cared about your family. You were just there to keep things running. And honestly, it could have been anybody in that seat. And meanwhile, all those years you spent there were sedentary. The job stressed you out. You gained weight. You ate unhealthy food on the drive home. Maybe even stopped at McDonald's on the way in, too. Because your whole life is just rushing from one place to the next and never once stopping to take care of your own body. And then one day, you go to the doctor and you find out you've got something really bad and you need more tests. And look, if that's the life you've been living, then yeah, you're going to need that insurance. But what if you actually wanted to prevent it from ever getting to that point? So here's how I've come to see the whole modern healthcare system, and this is just my opinion from my own experience. But it really feels like the whole thing is set up to act as a band-aid anytime your body isn't right. They prescribe you pills to work against the symptoms, but they never really do anything to actually improve your overall health or fix whatever the real problem is that's hiding behind your ailment. And the way it looks to me is that the system doesn't really want to cure you, because if they cured you, you'd stop being a product to them. And that's kind of what you are in that system, a product. And we wonder why so many people are overweight and out of shape. When you spend your whole life sitting at a desk, eating whatever is fastest, never moving your body in any meaningful way, of course you end up needing that system. The question is whether you actually have to live that way. And I say all of this because I lived that exact life. My first full-time job out of college, I knew almost right away that I had to make a change. Because first of all, I was settling. It wasn't what I really wanted to do, and honestly, I chose it to make other people happy and not for myself. And that just ate away at me over time. And on top of that, I was always driving to and from work, working late nights, had a terrible sleep schedule, and my body was just suffering from all of it. And honestly, it hasn't fully recovered even today. That's the part people don't realize, that the damage you do to your body during those years doesn't just disappear when you change your lifestyle. It stays with you. For about a decade after college, that was my life. My health was poor, I was overweight, and I never once during any of that time planned on starting a homestead or growing food or building these dream gardens that now span my entire property. But one day I just knew I had to quit, or I felt like I wasn't going to make it, not just career-wise, but physically and mentally. I needed out for my own survival, so I quit before I even had a plan, before I had ever thought about homesteading or growing a single thing. I didn't know I would end up here, but I'm so glad I did, because without even knowing it, I found the solution to the problem. And that solution was growing food and working the soil. God led me here somehow, and now I'm in so much better shape than I was a decade ago. And all of this, is my healthcare plan now. My whole life revolves around food and around growing the healthiest possible food for my family. And that's not just something I say for the camera, that's my actual life every single day. So this little half acre, as small as it is, when you actually use it right, it can produce food for your family all year round. But doing that requires constant attention to what's growing, constant work to manage the land, and in order to do all of that, you have to be in good health, and you have to move your body every single day. And those are the exact things that most people working desk jobs never get. But I'll be honest with you, even this hasn't been without its faults. Because there are real limits you've got to respect when you're caring for yourself on a homestead. Last year, I pushed my body way too far trying to manage a market garden and our personal garden all at the same time, and I completely burned out and actually ended up in the hospital over it. And that was a real learning experience for me because it taught me that the homestead is supposed to serve us, not me sacrificing my
Yeah.
body to it. So we had to get a lot smarter about what we took on, the animals we raised, the crops we chose to grow, because they all had to actually be worth the effort and they had to genuinely feed our family. And this year, finally, they will. Now, I want to be real with you because this was actually the most asked question on our Cheap on Purpose video. And I get why. People want to know how we handle healthcare living the way we do. And the honest answer is, I still don't have it all figured out. I haven't landed on what the perfect type of healthcare is for our family yet. There have genuinely been times where it made sense for us not to carry insurance, and there have been times where I would have been completely screwed without it. So I'm not going to stand here and tell you to drop your insurance or that I've solved this, because I haven't, and I don't want to steer anybody in the wrong direction. What I can tell you for certain is that the work we do here every single day has put us in far better shape than we'd be in doing anything else inside a building all day. And I feel genuinely called to keep living this way and to run as far as I can from any corporate lifestyle that requires all that expensive coverage just to survive it. So I decided I needed to start being way more proactive about how I handle my health, because just going to the doctor once everything is already wrong with your body just seemed completely backwards to me. And I had known since last year that something was off because I just didn't have the energy to keep up with my regular chores outside. And for someone who works this land every single day, that was a real red flag for me. The best way to actually find out what's going on is with a good blood test. But the problem is, the typical blood test you'll get from your regular doctor only covers a few basic biomarkers. And I wanted to dig a lot deeper than that to try and find whatever the underlying issues were so I could actually address them before they got worse. And that's when I found 100 Health. It's a subscription plan that gives you over 100 biomarkers, and not just that, it actually gives you a personalized plan based on all your results and your health history to help you move forward and fix whatever it finds. And for me, that's exactly what I was looking for. Something proactive instead of reactive. Now, I want to be clear, this isn't a replacement for healthcare, but it's an incredible supplement to it for someone like me who just wants to be healthy for their family and catch any issues before they turn into something more serious. And the whole process was honestly so much easier than I expected. All you do is download the app, put in your information, schedule an appointment at any Quest Diagnostics location near you, and go get your blood work done. And the very next day, I started seeing results come in right on the app. It was really neat. And I actually learned some things I had no idea about, like my glucose levels and my inflammation levels were both in ranges that made me rethink some major parts of my diet going forward. So it's already changing how I eat and how I think about what I'm putting in my body, which is exactly what I wanted from it. Now, I'm not someone who enjoys needles or giving blood at all, but it was quick and painless, and I'm really glad that I did it. And here's the thing that really made me appreciate this. Last year, we were part of this natural healthcare practice that had these expensive monthly premiums, and when I wanted a comprehensive blood draw on top of all that, it was an additional $350. I couldn't believe it wasn't included in what we were already paying. 100 Health costs $199 a year for over 100 biomarkers plus the personalized plan. I reached out to them, and they were kind enough to work with me on this video and offer my viewers 10% off for the first year. If you'd like to check it out, the link is down in the description below. So look, I haven't figured healthcare out all the way yet, and I'm not going to pretend that I have. But what I do know is this. Every single day out here, I'm moving my body. I'm eating the healthiest food I could possibly eat, food I grew myself, in soil I've been building for years, and I'm out here building something real instead of sitting still inside some building, slowly falling apart while making somebody else rich. This is the best healthcare plan I've ever been on, and no one can ever raise my premium.
Don't forget to subscribe to watch again.